Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Rashida and this is just a day in the life of a non-aesthetic business owner. So on the to-do list, I know, first of all, let me say this. I know I've been going for quite some time, but I have good reasoning for it. I have been coming up with the system. 2024, I am going to be more I'm definitely going to be more what do I want to say? I want to be more I can't think of the word. Oh my god, my mind just went blank. I want to be more serious about my content, and definitely and making sure that I am consistent. 2024, I feel like it's going to be a very good year for me. 2023 was okay, but it was definitely bittersweet. Losing my dad was terrible, but I noticed that after him passing, my business just, oh my god, took off on a whole different level. So I know I have the dopest guardian angel in the world. But 2024, I'm going to be more consistent for sure. I have actually purchased this content planner and I can't wait to come in. When it comes in, y'all, I'm going to show y'all how it goes, because I did a lot of research on trying to find the right content planner and I could not find a content planner that wanted to do exactly what I needed to do, especially with my content, because I have so many different platforms that I post on, and not only me posting on different platforms, but the message behind each platform that I post on is different. So I definitely need something to be able to plan out my content on. As far as YouTube go, I'm definitely going to use this platform to post not only shorts, educational shorts. So y'all definitely check out my shorts, because I'm going to drop a lot of gems on my shorts, utilizing YouTube shorts a lot more, and trying to use the long form content for just vlogs, day in the life, the ugly side of being a business owner. Everybody always shows the glitz and glams, but y'all, this shit gets ugly and I ain't about to hide it from y'all. So y'all gonna see everything. So that's what I'm definitely gonna do the long form content on. And also some sit downs too. I got a message saying that people really enjoy my business gossip videos. So I'm definitely going to make sure I drop business gossip here too. So Lord willing, I will be able to post two long form content, two long form videos on YouTube a week. Lord, I'm pushing it. I'm gonna try to do business gossip at least once every other week, because I think business gossip is a lot easier to record though, because I can sit down and talk about business all the time. It's just that I know when I talk, I start to ramble and I probably like be getting off topic, and I'll be like, girl, get back to the topic. But I love to talk, so especially when it comes to business. So with business gossip, I need to sit down, especially when my content planner comes, to actually like plan out what I'm going to talk about, so that it'll help y'all scaling y'all business. But as far as the vlog process goes, I'm gonna let y'all see behind the scenes, especially with me meeting with my mentees and all the success that they have with their businesses too. So I definitely want to share their success, because I've learned a lot. I have gone through a lot in business, and I have made enough mistakes to where I'm able to kind of help other people not make those same mistakes and actually learn how to use their content to convert. That's one of the main topics that I am using for this year, for 2024, for my mentees, is learning how to make content that converts, how to portray, how to convey a specific message to your audience and know when you're conveying that message, making sure that you're targeting the right people and attracting the right people who are actually interested in your products. So that part, y'all, when I tell you I have mastered in 2023, and it has changed the dynamic of my business and how I actually post content, and how not just posting content to post. A lot of people say just post the content. Yeah, you can just post the content in the beginning to kind of just like grow, but once you get to a place where you felt like you've grown a little bit, just posting content is not going to work anymore. You have to post content to get something in return. Like, you don't want to just post content and you got all these followers and they're not converting because they don't give a damn about what you're posting, because you ain't got what they want. So you want to post content that's meaningful. Like, having 1 million followers and none of them converting means absolutely nothing. So that's what I'm teaching my mentees right now. I have a checklist that I have to do today. So let's go down for the checklist. On today's list for the day, I had to do my devotional. Of course, I've done that already. What? Not my battery going down. Not my battery dying, y'all. Wow. Let me get through this really quick. So my devotional, I have to book my makeup because I'm doing a huge campaign for a drop. I have to review my ads to see what I need to turn off. I got to do inventory count. I need to make sure I record my TikTok and my YouTube short. I need to post on 11/22, both real. So before my camera went dead, I have a lot of stuff to do today, but I thought that was DHL bringing me my shipment, but apparently not. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and get these packages done. This is from Amazon. I get all of my shipping bags from Amazon, and I ran out, and I actually have all of those orders over there that need to be shipped out. I've already picked them. Now I need to ship them out, but I'm gonna go ahead and stock these back up because I have absolutely no bags, and this is not even gonna be enough, but I'm gonna order some more tonight. This is only 400 bags. I'm gonna order some tonight. Hopefully they'll get here. Well, they should. These usually take only about a day to get here. So each of this is 100 of them. I got 4. I'm definitely going to end up ordering more. I switch up the colors. I try to switch up the colors depending on the season. Since it's Valentine's Day, I'm going to stick with pink. I had pink last year. And I kind of rebranded my logo and everything. So that's why I decided to just stick with the pink. Because I actually like the pink. The pink is really pretty. And I've also upgraded my thank you cards too. They are so pretty. Upgraded these as well from the ones that I've had for several years. I've had these things. So yes, went from these to these. I absolutely love these. When anybody needs to do an exchange or a return, they just scan this card here instead of, I'm trying to figure out ways to kind of better streamline the shipping and receiving process. So instead of getting continuous emails about how do I make a return, they can just scan this. But you'll be surprised how many emails we still get. How do I make a return? When these are right here in their box. And it was like, I need it's, no matter what you do, it's doesn't work. And these are my Moray. These are my Moray thank you cards. But actually, I have started to Moray is actually selling on 11/22 really well. So I'm using Moray and 11/22 as if they are collaborating. So it's been working out extremely well. I'm almost actually sold out of a lot of stuff over there, Moray. And I think I'm going to, I don't know what direction I want to take Moray right now. Kind of stuck on it a little bit because it is a new brand and I have to baby it, but 1122 has just been booming. So my time, I haven't been able to give Moray the time that it needs. So I've kind of just merged them together a little bit until I figure out exactly what it is that I want to do. So I'll go ahead and stock these up. Now that's done. I know I'm gonna actually have to end up ordering more of these. I don't know why I under order everything, but there's only 150 of these, and I have 140 orders in queue right now. So what the hell I was thinking?
I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my body says, my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy.